before we hop into the video, check out NordVPN in the description below. Let's compare Llama.cpp and Ollama, two popular ways to run large language models locally on your own machine. Llama.cpp is a lightweight C++ library that runs quantized LLMs directly on your CPU, no GPU required. It's fast, efficient, super customizable. You can load different models, tweak parameters, and build tools around it, but you'll need command line skills and patience to get going. Ollama, on the other hand, wraps all that complexity in a smooth, user-friendly experience. Just install it, type Ollama, run Llama 3, and boom, you're chatting with a local model in seconds. Manages model downloads and updates, and even gives you an API out of the box. Now, where Llama.cpp shines is its flexibility. It can integrate into anything: bots, apps, custom pipelines, and it works on everything from desktops to Raspberry Pi. Very DIY though. Ollama sacrifices some of that control for convenience. It's opinionated but polished. Great if you just want local interference without the setup drama. So which one should you choose? Go with Llama.cpp if you're building custom projects or want tight control over setting. Use Ollama if you just want something that works quickly without any hassle. Both excellent. One's raw power and the other's plug and play.